Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a room tour, so let's jump right in. Okay, I'm standing by the door right now. So when you walk in, when you come through the door, this is what you see first. And and she just let herself in. Okay, so we'll go to the right first. So first I've got 3-drawer organizer. It's just got extra baking stuff in it because our kitchen is really small. So this tote also has kitchen stuff in it. And then I have my small closet. And then I have my bed. And the bed came from IKEA. And I've had it for 7 years. I don't know if I have it at all anymore. And then I've got little pictures I got from a Chicago Fire calendar, a poster, another poster, and then I got that. I don't know where I got that. I've had that for years too. And then I have that poster, which I got from Silver Inspirations, I think, a couple years ago. And then I have my nightstand, which used to be my mom's nightstand. So, hint, don't buy furniture if you don't have to. Okay, and then I got this shelf, which is new from Zulily. I needed something, because I needed extra space when I got rid of my dresser. So this is what I did with it. And if you want me to do an organization video of it, I can. Just let me know in the comments. Okay, and then I have this little, like a command center. And above it's this sign, which I got from Ollie's. And if you want me to do a video on my command center, I can do that as well. And 2 more pictures from the Chicago Fire calendar. Then I have my other bookshelf, which most of that's just my school books and other stuff. And then a little bit of my fall decor, because I don't decorate much for really any holiday. But I got these 2 squirrels at Kohl's. And these 2 are penny banks, and I got these from LTD for Christmas a few years ago. And then I have my desk, and this is another piece of my fall decor. It's just a candle, and it says Dia de los Muertos on it with the skulls. And I have a desk organization video as well. If it's not up, it will be soon. And then I have my TV stand, and this is my new filming corner. I need to decorate it or something. So if you have any ideas on how I should decorate it, let me know. And then I have my small walk-in closet. And there's a closet organization tour on YouTube as well. And if it's not up yet, it will be soon. And then I got this towel I got on vacation. And it's over my hope chest. And I don't remember. This is a Christmas present. And I don't know. I think this was a local find. So I probably can't find it and link it below. But that towel was from LTD, as well as this towel. And then of course my other calendar. So that concludes my room tour. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.